Introducing our new standalone irrigation timer, designed for efficiency and ease of use. Prepare two two-way batteries to easily activate the device for use. Installation is simple, and with the dual knob operation, setting up your irrigation schedule is quicker and easier than ever. Easily set up a single irrigation mode for one-time watering, perfect for specific needs. With the one-touch planned shutdown feature, you can instantly stop all scheduled irrigation with just one press. Our timers also allow for quick manual irrigation at any time. Experience the ultimate convenience and efficiency in garden irrigation with our standalone irrigation timer. Simplify your watering routine today.